blue.
Is that too much?
And green.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a couple of weeks since we've had a video out, but we finally do have something to work on this week. We got a friend of ours, 2008 BMW 335 Xi, and it's got a radiator leak. So we've got a new radiator for it, some coolant. So we're gonna see what all it takes to get this radiator out and get it back together.
Yep, so far we've got the intake off, splash pan off the bottom, and we'll show you where it's actually leaking from. It is hard to see, but right there you can see the hole where the inlet is leaking.
All right, so what are we going to have to do here? We're going to have to pull the fan, obviously. You've already got this part of the intake off. We've got the fan unclipped.
Yep.
And
so I've already got the Torx screw out of here, and all we have to do essentially is unsnap it from here, and it should pull right up, and then we can get to the radiator from there. We'll have to pop the lower hose off, right? That's the easiest way to drain it.
I think so. We've put a water pump on this one before. We've also put new coolant hoses. I think our best option here is going to be to just crack this, or just pop this bottom hose off a little bit and just let it drain slowly. So we're going to get started.
That was blue.
Is that too much?
And green.
Alright, that's just radiator draining now. You want to let it drain at that speed, or you want me to crack the vent on it?
Crack the vent.
I like where this is going.
Okay.
There's you. Looks like we decided to break out the old school manual tools on this one.
Yeah, it ain't gonna work. I wonder if I could get it from here with the
Extension. I like that idea. Down there, that silver one's what we're going for.
Don't worry, I'm not gonna drop this.
Easy peasy once you remove the intercooler piping.
I'm gonna be honest. I'm afraid that's gonna break.
So we had two different petcocks. Short one and a long one. The old radiator had the long one in it, so we went back with the long one. That's how we like it. No funnel. Okay guys, these Beamers, electronic water pump. Put the key in, turn it to accessory mode. Turn the heat on level 1. And you gotta be in on position. I'm gonna hold the accelerator to the floor for it's like 15 seconds or something like that.
He's going.
Okay. Water pump's running. I think we do this for, I think it's a 9-minute cycle or something like that, and it'll do several purges, and it should be good to go.